In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable your camera in Microsoft Teams both before and during a meeting. This is a key skill for making sure you're ready to interact face-to-face, whether you're connecting with colleagues, participating in a virtual class, or joining a family gathering. Let's dive right in so you can ensure your meetings are as engaging as possible. First things first, let's access Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and head over to teams.microsoft.com. This is where everything starts. Once you're on the site, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, it's straightforward, but make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need them to access all the features Teams has to offer. Now that you're signed in, the next step is enabling your camera before you actually join a meeting. This is a great way to check everything's in order before you're live. So to get started, either click to join an already scheduled meeting or initiate a new one from the platform. This action will take you to the pre-join screen. Here's where you can preview everything, and it's pretty simple to make sure your video is ready to go. On this screen, you will find a toggle switch for the camera. When you switch it to on, a preview of your video feed will appear. This offers you a chance to check your lighting and ensure your background is clean and professional, or however you want to present yourself. Once you're satisfied with your preview and all is set as you wish, click Join Now, and you'll be ready to enter the meeting with your camera on, creating a more personal and engaging experience right from the start. Let's say you've already entered the meeting but initially left your camera off, possibly to save bandwidth or to maintain privacy until you're ready. Turning your camera on at this point is straightforward and quick. In the meeting interface, look at the toolbar that typically appears at the bottom of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a little camera. If there's a diagonal line through it, this indicates that your camera is currently off. Simply click the camera icon, and just like that, your video feed will become visible to others in the meeting. This functionality is particularly useful for those moments when it feels right to share a visual connection in the flow of conversation. And there you have it, a simple yet essential guide to using your camera effectively in Microsoft Teams meetings. Follow these instructions, and you'll be able to enhance your virtual communication, ensuring a more interactive and productive meeting space. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials to make the most out of your digital interactions.